What's going on, guys? Alex here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the MX5. Now we're going to be doing a few things today. So I've got my mate Bar coming down. Everyone knows Bar. We're going to try and address the issue we're having on the fronts. So I can't remember if I've said about this, but we were running the same size tires on the back that were on the front because they were from my old wheels. But we couldn't turn the wheel because it was just catching literally everywhere. So I went down to these 195 45s. It shrunk it by 16 mil all round. So now I can turn left and right, absolutely fine, happy days. However, the problem we have now encountered is the car is far too low. So I can't see it from here, but I'll show you when it's on the ramp later on. The subframe is now 45 mil off the floor, so I am literally grounding out everywhere, and yeah, that's not ideal. My front bumper's already, like the bottom's already gone, so I mean, I knew it wasn't going to last long, but yeah, it literally just scraped off loads of paint on day one. So we're going to be raising the front by 10 mil. We're going to be trying out the wheels that are currently on the back, put them on the front, see if that works, because if so, then I can put the old tires back on and we've got a lot more clearance and hopefully the car's more drivable. But to start with today, I had a message on Instagram from a company called MX5 Tech. They produce like wink mods and stuff for these cars, but they've made this new product called the Mega Flash.
A mega pint.
So what you get with like these cars and most cars is when you change out your indicators from like the standard bulbs to LEDs, you get what's called hyperflash. Can't remember the exact specifics, but it's something like the halogen bulbs are certain resistance. You put the LEDs in, it's different resistance, so the car thinks that there's an issue with the indicators, so you get what's called the hyperflash, where they flash at mega speed. So this little product that they make is to fix that essentially, but it also offers quite a nice range of other things which we'll go into once we get started on it. So install is literally about 5 minutes, so well, fingers crossed it's about 5 minutes. We know what it's like when I'm working on cars, but yeah, it's literally just steering cowling, remove it underneath, take out the current indicator relay, replace it with this, and that's the install done. So I'm gonna go grab some tools and yeah, let's get started on this and see how easy it really is. So we've just got a before of the indicators. Now I've somehow managed to wire in the side lights and the indicators wrong, but also half of this headlight's not working, so that's a problem to address another time. That's always nice. And then obviously at the back we have the carbon Miata sequentials and obviously the new LED side repeaters. So currently it's not doing the hyper flash, it just comes and goes, but yeah, so it'll be interesting to see what all the other features do as well. But I think let's get the car inside because it's starting to spittle a little bit, so that we can yeah, we can get this done. So first up, underneath here we've got these two screws that you just unscrew, then it pops off on the left, and then yeah, that's literally it. And now we're going to go for a little hunt, but up under here should be the original relay, which we're going to remove and swap out for this for the new Mega Flash unit. So I found the module. It is up here, so obviously it's quite cramped up in here, so I can't really film much. However, you're just gonna have to trust me. We're gonna get that out, unplug it, and yeah, although I'm finding even more bodgeries of wiring underneath, but that is a problem for another day. Right, so I'm going to get this out and then we can compare the two. Old ones come out and new ones ready to go, so As you can see, it literally just plugs straight back into where it was. And that's it, install done. And that's it, new one's just plugged straight back in. It's got the connector on the back to clip it back where the OEM one was, but yeah, straightforward install. So I'm going to put all this stuff back together and then we can see what kind of functions we've got. So with everything all back together, key on the ignition, and then with the hazards is how we go into configuration or entertainment modes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is configuration mode. You can hear it ticking. So first option is tick sounds. There's 12 different options for that. And you just cycle through them with going up and down on the indicator stalk. So what you can do here is you've got your tick sounds, your left on warning. Third one is not used for my particular setup. This is because I've got the sequential indicators. So third setup, depending on what indicators you've got, this is where you would have, what was it called? Oh yeah, the dimming of the lights, so that they glow in and out, kind of like a normal indicator. Then yeah, you've got swapping left and right indicators just in case like you're indicating right and your left side's indicating. There's an option for that. And yeah, then a thank you option for on and off, which is if you quickly tap your hazards on and off, what it does is it indicates left, right, if someone lets you in on the motorway or anything like that. But yeah, so I think we should try out the entertainment mode. So I'll set you up in front, I guess, and we'll see what it does, because there's reading on here, there is a couple of different preset tunes, which are, so we got We Wish You Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday to You, Beethoven's Fifth Symphony, The Stars and Stripes, and Pachelbel Canon in D major. So yeah, let's see what it does, and I think it should be pretty good. All right, so let's see what the various entertainment modes do. 3, 4, 5. So that's We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Happy birthday to you. Hopefully the microphone's picking it up. Beethoven's. Stars and Stripes. And Pachelbel. Okay, so this is just all flash on and off strobe, and then flash side to side, and then Morse code for SOS. I'm going to assume it's working. Ah, sorted. Huh?
That's when you go off.
Alright, well that's a success, I'd say. In the meantime, Bar's been busy lowering the back. This has now got the front wheels on the back for the time being. Front's been raised 10 mil. All the threads have been aqua slipped as well for future ease. So these are now the rear wheels on the front, and yeah, hopefully we will see how much clearance we get as if we go and have a look underneath. Obviously you can see where the bumper's been chewed, but main culprit is the subframe. So nice shiny new subframe is all been, the bolt's been chewed, it's just scrapes everywhere, and I think even the subframe, the sump, but doesn't look like there's any cracks or damage. So I think it's just weeping because it's old. But yeah, so some more. The bumper is horrendous.
Is it?
Yeah.
Minor details.
But it's all underneath, it's fine. So yeah, let's lower the car up, see if that does actually clear. Not high hopes, but you never know. But if not, we can then figure out what size tyre to get for the fronts. And yeah, bit by bit, it's slowly coming together, we hope. So there we have it, a semi-productive day. We now have got arch gap for days on the fronts, but yeah, so we've tried putting, we've swapped them back round now, but yeah, again, with the fatter tyres on the front, it was just catching here and all down there as well. So we've already trimmed it up as much as we could in the past, but yeah, so I think we're going to size up the tyre to 195/50, but it's gone up 10 mil, so hopefully that 10 mil will be a decent amount of difference. And yeah, so that's that. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and thanks to MX5 Tech for sending me out the flasher unit. And yeah, I'll leave their website and links below for where you can get them if you are running into the hyperflash issues, or you just fancy having a little bit more entertainment out of your indicators. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.